Hello children, as we had already completed chapter 11 Safety Saves in our Google Live class. This video is a quick revision of chapter 11 Safety Saves. We must keep ourselves safe at all times. Children, it is very important to keep ourselves safe. Safety habits are essential to keep us safe from accidents while walking, cycling, swimming, etc. And there are some safety habits which are very essential, means important, which helps us to keep ourselves safe and protect us from accidents whenever we are walking on a road, whenever we are cycling, swimming, etc. We must observe the following rules. There are certain safety rules that we should follow when we are traveling on road, whenever we are riding any vehicles, whenever we are swimming, and there are many more places where we should follow safety rules to protect ourselves from accidents. In page number 67 you can see good and safe habits. As we all know what are good habits, we learned in class 1, class UKG. Now today we will read about safe habits, some habits which protect us from accidents. When you walk means chalna. Walk only on the footpath. Whenever we are walking on the road, we should travel or walk only on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk only on the right side of the road. And if there is no footpath, we should only walk to the right side of the road. Clear? Next, when you cross the road. Children, whenever we are crossing the road, there are certain rules. Make sure you cross at the zebra crossing. In the picture you can see there is a zebra crossing. Rectangle shaped white strips are there. It is called zebra crossing. Cross when the road is clear. Whenever we are crossing the road, we should cross on the zebra crossing, and we should cross the road whenever the road is clear from the vehicles. Vehicles means like car, bus, scooter, etc. Look for the red signal. Children, you can see the picture in page number 67. This is a traffic light and there are three signals: red, yellow, green. There are three signals in the traffic light, and we should cross the road whenever the signal is red, because when there is a red signal, all the vehicles stop and the road is clear and we can cross the road. But there are so many cities and places where there is no traffic light. If there is no zebra crossing or signal, look carefully on both sides of the road before crossing. And if there is no traffic light or no zebra crossing, we should cross the road after looking carefully to both sides of the road. And if there is no vehicles coming, then only we should cross the road. Cross the road when the light is red, because at the red light the traffic comes to an halt, and when the signal is red, the vehicle stop and we can cross the road. Clear, children? Now come to page number 68. When you cycle. See children, this is a picture of cycle and a boy is riding a cycle. There are certain rules that we should follow when we are riding a cycle. Keep to the left of the road. We should always ride a cycle on the left side of the road. Give a signal with your hand before taking a turn to the right or the left. And whenever we are riding a bicycle and if we want to take a turn path, we should always give right and left signal to the other people who are driving on the road. Avoid cycling on the busy roads, and we should not ride a bicycle on a busy road. Clear? Next, going to school. See children, this is a bus and the children are waiting for the school bus. You all also come to school by bus. Many of you come to school by bus, right? And you go back to your home also by bus. Children, whenever you are getting in the bus and whenever you are getting down from the bus, you should follow certain rules to avoid any kind of harmful accidents. Do not get on or get down from the school bus before it stops completely. Never get on inside the bus and never get down from the bus before the bus stops completely. Never lean out of the bus. Lean out means jhakna. We should never lean out of the bus and never take out our hands or head when the bus is in a running mode. Never talk to the driver while he is driving the bus. And whenever we are sitting in a bus, we should not disturb the driver. We should not talk to him because this will create some kinds of mishappenings if we disturb the driver. Now, while at home, we should also follow some rules when we are at home. Never touch electric wires. See, we should not touch any kind of electric wires, plugs and switches in our home. Always stay away from the stove and we should not go near the stove, gas, cylinder, etc. And never play with electric plugs, switches. Always keep yourself away from blade and knife. Next, always see the visitor through the window or keyhole before you open the door. Children, whenever the doorbell rings at your home, suddenly do not open the door without asking any of the elders and your parents. Always see from the keyhole. See, this is a keyhole. Keyhole help us to see from the inside of the house only who is standing outside or who is ringing the bell. So, first of all, if we are having a keyhole in our house, we should look the stranger and then only if your parents allow you, then only you should open the door. Now come to page number 69. While at swimming pool. Children, many of you went for a vacation and stay at a place where there are swimming pools, and many of you do swimming classes also to learn swimming. In the swimming pool also, you need to follow some rules. Never swim alone. We should never swim alone. Do not swim where the water is deeper, and where the water is deep, we should not go there. Do not play pranks in the pool. Pranks means any kind of fun or joke, or we can say mazak karna. Never do these kinds of things when you are in a swimming pool. Always be with some elder or your swimming teacher or trainer. See, here is a blue box. Stranger may appear helpful and nice, but always stay away to remain safe at all times. Sometimes strangers will give you chocolates or they may help you in any way, but you should always stay away from the stranger to keep yourself safe. Children, in this video, this much only, and in my next video, we will continue the rest of the topic. Till then, you go through all the things that I have taught you, and if you are having any doubt, you can solve your query. Thank you, children.